Got a device that won't accept an SD card higher than 32 gigabytes, and the card that you want to use is higher than 32 gigabytes, then you'll want to format it in a certain way. So you can do this on a Mac. It's the disk utility that you need. I've got it down here. If you haven't got a link to it, you can just search for it using the magnifying glass here. So just type in disk utility. The best thing to do is actually, if you have the SD card plugged in at the moment, remove it. And once it is removed, plug it back in. So the reason is you're trying to identify which one is the SD card, because it can quite often be called different things. This one I've got here, I think it's just called 64 gigabyte. They can be called all sorts. Most of the time it will say untitled, but you just want to make sure it's definitely that one, because if you format the wrong thing, you will lose everything. So just to clarify, it will delete everything off the card as well. But obviously you don't want to be formatting your main hard drive. So right, if you remove it again, just to double check, so plug it again, it's definitely that one that says 64 gigabyte. Okay, now what we need to do is click on erase. And the format you want is the one that says MS-DOS FAT. And then you can change the name of the card if you wanted to. Mine's called 64. Call it whatever you want to. Click on erase. Now, this doesn't always work first time round. If it doesn't, simply try it again. If it still doesn't work, if you're using a card reader, then you'll need to make sure that it's not on write protect. Otherwise, it won't be able to work. Once this is done, press done. You can take the card back out again now, and you can put it into your device, and it should work as intended.